Use these 3 AI crypto projects to retire early. Are you dreaming of retiring early? Well, look no further. In this video, we'll explore some exciting AI crypto projects that could help you build your early retirement plan. Let's dive right in! Project 1. Smart Trading Bots. In the dynamic world of cryptocurrency trading, AI-powered smart trading bots have emerged as powerful tools to optimize investment strategies, potentially paving the way for early retirement. These bots leverage sophisticated algorithms, harnessing the capabilities of artificial intelligence to analyze market data, identify trends, and execute trades in real time. AI-powered trading algorithms, the backbone of smart trading bots, use historical data, technical indicators, and machine learning models to make predictions about future price movements. Unlike traditional trading methods, these algorithms can process vast amounts of data rapidly, adapting to changing market conditions and identifying profitable opportunities that may be overlooked by human traders. Smart trading bots go beyond merely executing trades. They continuously learn and evolve, refining their strategies based on market feedback. This adaptability allows them to optimize trading strategies for long-term gains, mitigating risks and maximizing returns over time. The automation provided by these bots also enables users to remain active in the cryptocurrency market without the need for constant monitoring, making them an attractive option for individuals seeking to build wealth efficiently. Real-world examples abound, with success stories highlighting the effectiveness of smart trading bots. Traders have reported substantial gains and minimized losses through the consistent application of these AI-driven tools. Such success stories serve as compelling evidence of the potential for AI crypto projects, particularly smart trading bots, to play a pivotal role in helping individuals achieve their early retirement goals by efficiently navigating the complexities of the cryptocurrency market. Project 2. Decentralized Finance DeFi Platforms. Decentralized finance, DeFi, has rapidly gained prominence as a transformative force in the financial landscape, offering individuals the potential for financial freedom outside traditional banking systems. DeFi, built on blockchain technology, aims to create an open and inclusive financial ecosystem accessible to anyone with an internet connection. The introduction of DeFi presents a paradigm shift as it eliminates the need for intermediaries like banks, allowing users to engage in financial activities such as lending, borrowing, and yield farming directly. The decentralized nature of these platforms not only fosters financial inclusivity, but also provides an alternative avenue for early retirement planning. AI applications play a crucial role in enhancing the efficiency and security of DeFi projects. AI algorithms contribute to risk assessment, credit scoring, and the automation of various financial processes within decentralized lending and borrowing platforms. Additionally, AI-driven tools are employed in yield farming strategies, optimizing the allocation of assets to maximize returns in a decentralized and autonomous manner. However, as with any innovative financial system, DeFi projects come with their own set of risks and rewards. Risks include smart contract vulnerabilities, market volatility, and regulatory uncertainties. On the flip side, the rewards encompass the potential for higher returns, greater financial control, and the opportunity to participate in novel financial instruments. Navigating the DeFi space requires careful consideration and due diligence, as users weigh the risks against the potential rewards. Despite the challenges, the fusion of DeFi and AI holds promise for those seeking unconventional yet powerful tools to accelerate their path towards early retirement within the rapidly evolving landscape of decentralized finance. Project 3. Predictive Analytics for Market Trends. In the volatile realm of cryptocurrency markets, Project 3 introduces a powerful ally in the form of predictive analytics powered by artificial intelligence. The integration of AI in analyzing market trends and predicting price movements has revolutionized the way investors approach decision-making, offering a strategic advantage for those aspiring to retire early. The role of AI in this context is multifaceted. Advanced machine learning algorithms process massive data sets, historical price patterns, and market indicators to identify subtle trends that may elude human analysis. By leveraging these algorithms, predictive analytics tools can forecast potential future price movements, providing investors with valuable insights to make informed decisions. Predictive analytics tools driven by AI assist investors in navigating the complexities of the cryptocurrency market. These tools not only offer real-time data analysis, but also adapt and learn from market behavior over time. By identifying patterns and correlations, AI can provide a comprehensive view of potential market trends, enabling investors to adjust their strategies accordingly. Numerous AI-driven market analysis tools have emerged, showcasing the capabilities of predictive analytics. Examples include sentiment analysis tools that gauge market sentiment through social media and news sources, and machine learning models that predict short-term and long-term price trends based on historical data. These tools empower investors with the foresight needed to make well-informed investment decisions, contributing to a more strategic and potentially lucrative approach to achieving early retirement goals in the fast-paced and dynamic cryptocurrency landscape. Common risks associated with AI crypto projects. While AI crypto projects offer exciting opportunities for early retirement planning, they are not without their share of risks. Common pitfalls include algorithmic errors, market volatility, and susceptibility to cyber threats. Algorithmic errors can lead to unintended consequences, and market volatility inherent in the cryptocurrency space poses a constant risk. Additionally, the decentralized and evolving nature of AI crypto projects exposes them to potential security vulnerabilities and regulatory uncertainties. Strategies for risk management and portfolio diversification. To navigate the inherent risks, implementing effective risk management strategies is paramount. Diversification of investment portfolios is a fundamental principle. Spreading investments across multiple AI crypto projects can help mitigate the impact of a single project's failure. Setting clear risk tolerance levels and regularly reassessing them in response to market conditions is essential. Employing stop-loss mechanisms and utilizing risk-reducing features provided by certain AI crypto platforms can further safeguard investments. Importance of choosing secure and reputable AI crypto projects. Ensuring the security and reputation of AI crypto projects is a critical aspect of risk mitigation. Thorough due diligence is necessary before committing funds to any project. Investors should scrutinize the project's white paper, team credentials, and technological infrastructure. Opting for projects with transparent and auditable smart contracts, robust security protocols, and a track record of responsible development practices is essential. Engaging with communities and seeking feedback from other investors can provide valuable insights into the credibility of AI crypto projects. In conclusion, the journey towards early retirement with AI crypto projects necessitates a vigilant approach to risk management. By acknowledging and addressing common risks, diversifying portfolios, and selecting projects with a commitment to security, investors can better position themselves to capitalize on the opportunities presented by AI in the cryptocurrency space while safeguarding their financial goals. Tips for integrating AI crypto projects into early retirement plans. When incorporating AI crypto projects into early retirement plans, it is crucial to establish realistic and achievable financial goals. Understand the potential returns and risks associated with these projects, aligning them with your overall retirement objectives. Setting clear milestones and timelines will help in tracking progress and adjusting strategies as needed. Realistic expectations form the foundation for a sustainable and successful journey towards early retirement with AI crypto investments. Diversifying investments across AI projects. Diversification is a key principle in managing risk and optimizing returns. Instead of concentrating investments in a single AI crypto project, spread your funds across a well-researched and diversified portfolio. This approach helps minimize the impact of underperformance or failure in a specific project, ensuring that the overall portfolio remains resilient. Selecting a mix of projects with different use cases, technologies, and risk profiles can enhance the potential for long-term success. Staying informed about market trends and technological advancements. The rapidly evolving landscape of AI and cryptocurrency demands continuous education and awareness. Stay informed about market trends, regulatory developments, and technological advancements within the AI crypto space. Regularly update your knowledge about the projects in which you are invested, as well as emerging technologies that could impact the market. Being proactive and staying informed allows you to make informed decisions, adapt to changing market conditions, and position yourself strategically for the evolving landscape of AI and cryptocurrency. Incorporating these tips into your early retirement plans with AI crypto projects will not only enhance the resilience of your investment strategy, but also empower you to navigate the dynamic and fast-paced nature of the cryptocurrency market.